Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and hopefully I can get through this voiceover without another text or call. So as promised, I'm also going to show you here how to do vinyls on your nails, on a stamper, not really on a mat, but you can absolutely do it on a mat. Just do not put any kind of nail protector base coat down, because if you do, you're gonna be sorry. You're just gonna pull it up when you pull up the vinyl. Here are the sample nails I did. Then slap some top coat on them with all the glitter from the 643 double play. Yeah, I don't like texture, so I want to make sure I put a lot of top coat on there. But I'm going to show you first how to do it on a stamper head. And I wasn't really sure if you even could, and decided, let's try it. And these, like thatch, I guess is what you call it. This pattern, it won't really lay flat on my nails. I tried to get it to lay flat on the Swatch sticks to practice, but I thought, well, I really didn't want to do it on a mat. I think everybody knows how to do a vinyl on a mat. And I've never seen it done on a stamper head, so if you have, let me know. I've just had never seen it. So here are the colors I used, and these vinyls are from Maniology. I think they were like 99 cents. And just taking the sponge and sponging a little bit on here first. I tried to keep building it up, but the stamper head, being silicone, was starting to repel it, and it was like pulling back off. So I mean, actually I got down what I wanted to, just a little bit of a gradient, and then I just went ahead with the polish and just brushed it straight on there, because the other side is what's going to be on your nail, what's going to be showing up. And that was, you know, really the ombre that I wanted. And I just peeled off the vinyl. Now we're going to set that aside and let it dry, and see if we can apply it in a little while. All right, so I did the sponging on all my fingers except for this ring finger. I put the Braves Diva Nail Polish 643 double play on just my ring finger, and it's on my other fingers, as you can see. And I played around with some different colors, and what I had to begin with was not near bright enough. After I did the practice nails, I realized that I wanted something brighter. And I did kind of mess up this one. The vinyl wasn't stuck to my nail good enough, and it kind of bled through there. So I'm going to go in with this little bitty art brush and some acetone and kind of trace around there and just remove that polish. It was still wet. I told my daughter not to text or call because I am trying to do this voiceover, and now I see she just sent me a Snapchat instead. Okay. So that worked out pretty good, and just top coat, and I use a really thick, I'm using Glisten and Glow top coat because it's a really thick, nice top coat. All right, let's go for this one. Now I did put some sticky base coat, some Glisten and Glow sticky base coat on my fingernail to make sure that this stuck. And it's essentially just like stamping your nail. And it worked really well. Just take some acetone and a cleanup brush and kind of get rid of the excess there around my finger. And it worked fine. I don't know why I got this pattern, this, like, I don't know. I'm not really crazy about the pattern, but you could for sure just use a stamper head. It needs to be a pretty flat one. Creative Shop has really flat stampers. They're nice. They're not clear. They do have clear, but so I tested with black underneath the glitter polish and it was too dark. So I decided to go with this dark purple. It's almost black, and I loved it. I think it did so much better. It looked so much better than the black. It let the glitter really show better. And once again, just gonna sponge it on and then sponge on some of that glitter. And most importantly, make sure that your vinyl is sealed really well and stuck to your fingernail, and the polish underneath is completely dry, because if it's not, you're going to pull it up, it's going to be a mess. And then you want to remove the vinyl while it's wet, while the polish is wet. If you let it dry, you're going to be in trouble. It's not going to come off. This one I made sure I had all the edges stuck around the tip, and it did much better. All right, you've seen how to do it at this point. Now I did reverse the ring finger, so you can do it either way. You don't have to do a gradient either. But I was so pleased with these. I thought they looked adorable. All right, you guys, if you don't know already, I am a Maniology ambassador, and you get, with my code Guyleen325, all in caps, you get 10% off your order. If you are a Mani and Me subscriber, you get and use my code, you get 10% off, but you always get free shipping. This one's probably going to go on Instagram. Also, follow me on Instagram, Guyleen325. On Facebook, Guyleen325. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this and you liked the Mani. And if you have any questions or suggestions on things you want me to try out or do, something that you're having problem with, or anything from Maniology, Born Pretty, or Beauty Big Bang that you'd like me to get and try for you. Generally, things that are given to me like that, I give away to you. So stay tuned. Bye. Denied. She just wants to play and he just wants to sniff her butt.